How can I unlock my permanently locked SIM card?
Hello and welcome to this informative guide. Today, we'll be discussing a common issue many of us face: how to unlock a permanently locked SIM card. Don't worry, we're here to help.
What does a permanently locked SIM card mean?
A SIM card may become permanently locked if the personal unblocking key (PUK) code is entered incorrectly multiple times. Typically, after about 3 to 10 failed attempts, the SIM card will lock permanently to protect your personal information.
Can I really unlock a permanently locked SIM card?
While it's technically possible, the reality is that unlocking a permanently locked SIM card can be quite challenging. In most cases, you will need to contact your mobile service provider. They can offer you the most accurate and legal methods to resolve the issue.
Contacting your mobile service provider.
Contact your mobile service provider's customer service and explain the situation. They will typically request some form of identification to verify your account. Once verified, they can provide you with a new PUK code or a new SIM card, depending on their policy.
Preventing SIM card locks in the future.
To avoid this situation in the future, remember to not attempt to enter your PUK code if you are unsure of it. It's much better to contact your mobile service provider directly for assistance in such cases. And that wraps up our guide on unlocking a permanently locked SIM card. We hope that you found this information useful, and we appreciate your time. Remember, when in doubt, always reach out to your mobile service provider. They are your best resource in such situations. Until next time, take care.